So first comes is natural numbers, or set of natural numbers. The symbol that you use is yes, it goes like this. Yeah. All right. That's okay. Yeah, we can simply write like this. So capital N, although we use actually script N, but it's fine. Which contains 1, 2, 3. Just to say 2 or 3 of the important things. Number 1 is 0 is not a natural number. Number 2 is at least by the elements, in terms of elements, okay, exactly like this, in terms of elements, N and Z plus. What is Z plus? Z plus is basically the positive integers. Positive integers. So in terms of elements, N and Z plus contain same elements. But we cannot really write N equal to Z plus, right? But then again, if it is asked that what is Z plus, so Z plus is essentially 1, 2, 3, so on. So these are my positive numbers, positive integers, right? And 0 is again neither positive nor negative. But then why am I writing that N is not really equal to Z plus? All right, so the reason behind this is the learning of what natural numbers are. So natural numbers are those numbers which are used exclusively for counting. We do not use for anything else. So exclusively used for counting. That means if I am looking for an interpretation, then the interpretation of 1, 2, 3, and so on, they can be found in the nature, and that's why they are natural numbers. All right, so this is the first thing. The second thing is that if I'm saying that they're exclusively used for counting, that means that technically natural numbers cannot be added, cannot be subtracted, all those or cannot be multiplied. All those operations are restricted for natural numbers. So if I'm talking about natural numbers, so can't come under arithmetic operation. Cannot come under arithmetic operation. And why is that? Why is that? Because it will cause certain problems. For example, just to give you an example, if subtraction is allowed here, then 1 minus 1 is 0. And that doesn't mean anything because 0 is not a natural number. So the operation or the working with natural numbers will lead us to an area where the idea of natural number will not be applied. So if I allow this, then I will simply land up working with natural numbers with somewhere where it is not natural number, and that will create a lot of problems. Actually, that will ask us to enlarge our set. And if we want to enlarge our set, then only the idea of natural numbers will not work. All right. So that means basically if we start with the concept of natural numbers, then that concept tells us that it is used exclusively for counting. No mathematical operation is appropriate for it. As you can see, the problems it can create. So this is why the set of natural number and positive integers, although characteristically or in terms of picture, let's say, or in terms of symbols, they contain the same elements, 1, 2, 3, and so on. They are not the same. Because when you come to positive integers, yes, here we allow arithmetic operation. Here we allow the arithmetic operations. And because we allow arithmetic operations, we required to define two things. Number one is z minus, which is z minus, which is the set of negative integers, to make sense of the fact that if we subtract 2 from 1, then in this answer, what we have extra is this minus, but this one is also an integer. So when I'm operating with positive integers, I may land up somewhere where there is a negative sign, but the numbers they will be associated with it, it will be integer. So to be able to perform arithmetic operations, we define z minus, which are negative integers. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. And also we need the famous 0. 0 has more role to play than one can possibly understand.